Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Didi. Today I would like to do a quick video of my spicy steamed cabbage for you guys. And to do that, I have some cabbage, some carrots, some onions, some green pepper, some red chilies, some chopped ginger and garlic, and I will be seasoning it with some oregano, parsley, black pepper and crushed red pepper flakes. Not shown in this is the salt that I'll add. It was very little, so it's not really shown in this video. So to get started, I used about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'm frying the chilies, the ginger and the garlic. You're going to fry this until it's fragrant. Then you're going to add in your cabbage. We are not using a lot of oil because this is a healthy dish. Well, not too fattening or anything. So the tablespoon of oil is just to fry the chilies and the ginger and garlic. Then I add in my cabbage, stir it all in, and make sure that it's evenly coated with the oil and the first ingredients that I added. Make sure your heat is not too high, otherwise it will burn the cabbage. And I added in a tablespoon of vinegar in here. If you don't have vinegar, you can add water. This is to enable the cabbage fry faster. Then you add in your carrots. The carrots and the cabbage takes a while to get soft, so I like to do that first. Then you go in with the final ingredients, which is the onions and the green pepper. You can add string beans, scallions, whatever it is you want to add to your steamed vegetables is up to you. Then you season it and stir it all in together. So basically, this is a spicy cabbage. You can omit the chilies and the crushed red pepper flakes if you don't want a spicy cabbage. You can do it to your taste, but this is spicy. That's why I'm adding some more red chili flakes, even though I started with some chilies in the beginning. So then I'm going to stir this, and then my steamed cabbage is done. Also, there are some people that I know who would like to add sugar to this, but I'm doing a healthy dish, so I prefer not to have the sugar in there. Even though the sugar will sometimes make it nicer or taste sweeter, I don't want it like that. That's why I did it as. And you can serve it with whatever you want. Here it is served with some baked salmon, and also here with some grilled chicken. Once again, I hope you guys try and enjoy this recipe. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye-bye.